Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson 5, The Fascinating World of Birds. The Fascinating World of Birds. So turn the page. First of all, we revise the lesson in some points. We revise the whole lesson in some points. Okay. So see here, let us revise. Point 1. Birds are the only group of living things to possess feathers. Birds are the only living things to possess feathers. Point 2. Feathers help to keep the bird's body warm. Feathers help to keep the bird's body warm. 3. Birds do not have teeth. Birds do not have teeth. 4. Birds do not fly are called flightless birds. Birds do not fly are called flightless birds. 5. Beaks of birds. Beaks of birds depend on the kind of food they eat and how they can obtain it. Beaks of birds depend on the kind of food and they eat and how they obtain that food. Sixth point is, birds also have strong feet and claws to hold tree branches, to hold prey and tear it. Birds have strong feet and claws because to hold tree branches, hold the prey and tear it. Understood kids? Here lesson revision over. Now we are going to revise the exercise. Now we are going to revise the exercise. We already solved it when we learned the lesson. That time we solved it. It is only revision. Okay, so exercise 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. Ducks are able to tear and eat flesh. Wrong. Ducks are able to tear and eat flesh. False. It is a false. B. Birds have hollow bones. Yes, birds have hollow bones. C. Most birds are featherless. Wrong. Most birds are featherless. False. The down feathers help the bird's body warm. Yes, true. The down feathers help keep the bird's body warm. True. E. Big size bird cannot fly because of their weight. Yes, correct. True. Big size birds cannot fly because of their weight. True. Understood kids? Here true or false over. Now we are going to see question number 2, match the columns. Match the columns. Already we did it, but again once time we do it. Read it, revise it. 1. Tearing beak. Tearing beak. Eagle has tearing beak. Slender beak. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds. Slender beak. Hummingbirds. Chestling beak. Woodpecker. Chestling beak, woodpecker. Long and thin legs. Crane has long and thin legs. Webbed feet, duck. Duck has webbed feet. Tearing beak, eagle. Join tearing beak to eagle. Slender beaks, hummingbirds. Slender beaks, hummingbirds. Chiseling beak, woodpecker. Chiseling beak, woodpecker. Long and thin legs, crane. Long and thin legs, crane. Webbed feet, duck. Duck has webbed feet. Understood? Next, turn the page. See here, fill in the blanks. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. In this bracket, given the answers. We already filled it, chose it and returned it. Now we are going to only revise. Okay? Tail, long, strong, talons, teeth are the words are there. Okay, in A, look here, A, birds have no teeth. Correct, birds have no teeth. B, the wedding bird have which type of leg? Long leg. Wedding birds have long leg. Wedding birds have long legs. C, the claws of eagle are called talons. The claws of eagles are called talons. D, tail feathers help the bird to slow down. Tail feathers help birds to slow down. E, a hen has strong feet. A hen has strong feet. Understood, kids? Here, fill in the blanks over. Next, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. A, name 2 birds that have feet suitable for climbing. Name 2 birds that have feet suitable for climbing. Parrots and woodpeckers have feet suitable for climbing. Parrots and woodpeckers have feet suitable for climbing. Question B. Name a bird with a chisel-shaped beak. Name a bird with a chisel-shaped beak. How does it use to such a beak? Answer. A woodpecker has chisel-shaped beak. It uses this beak to make a hole in the trunk of tree. Woodpecker has chisel-shaped beak. It uses this beak to make a hole in the trunk of a tree. Understood, kids? Next question. Give an example for bird which feeds on nectar. What type of beaks does it have? Give an example birds which feeds on nectar. Which type of beak does it have? Hummingbird feeds on nectar. Hummingbird feeds on nectar. It has long slender beaks to suck nectar from flowers. D. What do you know about feet of swimming birds? Question D. What do you know about the feet of swimming birds? Answer. Most of the swimming birds have webbed feet. Most of the swimming birds have webbed feet. They use them like oars while swimming. Understood, kids? Here question answers also over. Now see next question. Question number 5. Name the different parts of the bird. Name the different parts of the bird in the given picture. Look here, kids. It is the bird picture and arrow marked here. Name this one following. Upper side feathers are there. These are called the wing feathers. Below that one, tail feathers. Wing feathers, tail feathers. It is a beak. Below the beak, throat is there. Throat. Below the throat, breast. Next, these are the legs. This one here, claws and foot. Understood, kids? It is the bird's picture and label the all parts of this one birds. Okay. Next one lesson is we are going to revise which one lesson? Lesson number 6, nests of birds. Turn the page. See here, kids. Here given some points. What are these points? These are the whole lessons. Important points are there. It is the revision of the whole lesson. The whole lesson revised in some points. So we start reading. Okay. See, let us revise. First point 1. Birds build their nest to lay, protect and hatch their eggs. Birds build their nest to lay, protect and hatch their eggs. Point 2. The nests of birds are made of different materials, twigs, grass, dry and leaves. The nests of birds are made of different materials like twigs, grass, dry leaves, etc. Point 3. Quail and cuckoos do not build their own nests, but they lay eggs in the other bird's nest. Quails, cuckoos do not build their own nest, but they lay eggs in the other bird's nest. Number 4. We should protect birds and their nest as they help us in many ways. Yes, we should protect the birds and their nest as they help in many ways. Here lesson revision over. Now we are going to revise the exercise. We already solved it, did it. Just once time we are going to revise because we have exam. We have soon exam. So, question number 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. Cuckoos build their own nest. False. No. Cuckoos build their own nest. False. Cuckoos do not build their own nest because they lay their eggs in the other birds' nests. B. The woodpecker makes its nest in the bark of a tree. Yes. It is a true. The woodpecker makes its nest in the bark of tree. True. C. Penguins use pebbles to make their nests. True. Penguins use pebbles to make their nest. True. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Nests, straw, sticks. Nests, straw and sticks. A. Vulture make its nest by using sticks together. A vulture makes its nest by using sticks together. B. The tailor bird stitches leaves using its beak with the help of straw. With the help of straw. Tailor bird stitches leaves using its beak with the help of straw. C. We must not touch and disturb the nests of birds. We must not touch and disturb the nests of birds. Correct. Number 3. Match the columns. A and B 2 columns are there. We must read this one. We first read this one and match this one. Already we matched this one, but again once time we do this. A. In A column, cuckoos 1, 2, weaver birds 3, kingfisher. In B column, A. Nest has tunnel-like entrance. B. Dives into water to catch fish. C. Lays its egg in the other bird's nest. Cuckoo lays its eggs in the other bird's fish. Okay. Weaver birds nest has tunnel-shaped entrance. Weaver bird too. Nest has tunnels like entrance. Kingfisher dives into water to catch fish. Kingfisher dives into water to catch fish. Here, match the following also over. Now we are going to see the question answers. Revise the question answers. A. Name any 2 birds whose nests are found inside your house. Name any 2 birds whose nests are found inside your house. Sparrows and pigeons. Sparrows and pigeons sometimes make nests inside our house, beside our house. B. What is the material used by birds to build their nests? What do birds build their nests? Next question answer is, what is the material used by birds to build their nests? Birds use dry leaves, straws, hays, dry grass and twigs to build their nest. The inside of the nest is made up of soft with the help of pieces of cotton or feathers. Question C. Why do birds build nests? Why do birds build nests? Answer. Birds build their nest for shelter. They lay their eggs in their nests, hatch them and nurture the young ones till time they can fly away. Birds build their nest for shelter. They lay their eggs in their nests, hatch them and nurture the young ones till time they can fly away. Understood, kids? Next question. Why should we not disturb or touch nests or eggs of birds? Because we should not touch or disturb the nests or eggs of the birds, because the eggs may be break and the nest may be get damaged. Thus their very survival can be in danger. When we touch the eggs and nest, they become damaged, they maybe get damaged. That time birds, their very survival can be danger. Understood, no kids? Here our nests of birds lesson revision also over. Understood, no kids? You read the lesson, revise the lesson and revise the exercise by head the question answers. Thank you for watching the video.